Hey there, welcome to your Shopify Horizon theme setup and full customization course. In the previous class, we have added our banner and we have add one product. But first of all, in this class, we are going to fix two very critical issue that will be very helpful for you if you have already started making your Shopify online store with Horizon theme, because by default you will not get any solution of this critical issue. So what is this two issue? First of all, I found one issue on banner image, and we already know that we face an issue with the color choicer selector in here. In these tutorials, we're going to fix both issue and show you the actual easy solution. So let's get started. This is the demo of Shopify Horizon theme, and we have already making our store same as demo. So go to our store preview, horizon theme customize.myshopify.com, and you see we have added multiple product in here from this demo website. Looks here, and now we have maximum product. Also we have added the color chooser. Now I'm going to talk about the issue with banner image. Go back our admin panel. Here's my admin panel, then click online store. Okay, before that I want to mention another things. We are not going to fix this issue in this tutorial. So also we are going to design our footer section same as demo. So you will learn something new and will try to move on another page like shop page or cart page or contract page, anything, but we'll make a lot of value in this tutorial. So these tutorials not only show you how to fix banner image issue and color chooser issue, also you are going to get a lot of things. Okay, go back our main topics. So here is the customize section, and I'm going to click on the customize. In previous, I found one issue, that is when I add banner image, our banner image top section cart from the skin. Let me show you. By default, when I add image, banner image using the, let me open the customize section. We have to wait a little bit time for that. Okay, so when we add image with hero section, you see it looks perfect, but it looks perfect right now when I add few code in here. So here is the code. Let me show you. If I remove this code, then you see by default you will face this issue. Your image become cart from the top side, you see. So this is very critical issue, and here I have created this solution. The solution is that you have to simply add this code snippet, hero image, hero video, object position top center, then your image start from the top center. And if you use any image that should show or display from the bottom, then you can set bottom center. Save it again. We have to do with relax. We don't have to do hurry. Wait a little bit time. Okay, now reload. Okay, you see now the image has been fixed. So I hope you understand how to fix the image issue. Then our second issue with color chooser. We cannot select color chooser because it does not work as we expect or as we used to with Dawn theme. That's why we have to do something different, and they have already created the solution, but we have to find out it. And the good news is that I already find out this solution. So how to add color chooser in your product? To add color chooser in your product, first of all you have to go to your admin panel, then click on the product, and for example I'm going to this one. Okay, and looks very carefully how to fix the color chooser issue. First of all, if you try to directly add variant color from here, it does not work because it's come from meta field. So you have to add your color in the meta field, and in the horizon theme the Shopify already added color choicer or color meta field in here, size meta field, fabric, age group, neckline, target gender, top length type. That's mean all the uses or useful meta field they are added in the meta field. So you have to select your color from the meta field. You see here is the color and meta field. If I want to add more, then I have to just click on here, then I can add meta field from here. So you can select your color meta field from here and size from here, then you have to add in variant, otherwise it does not work. I hope you understand. Your first step is to add color and size variant in meta field, category meta field, then you can add it in here, otherwise it does not work. So here you have one question, how to add any unique or customized or new color in color meta field. Okay, to do this I'm going to show you how you can do it. First we are going to check the previous added entity or color. They have added color level green, color code, skip the image, base color green. Okay, then base parent solid. So this is the option or previously added color. Now we can add new entity. So how we can do this? Click on the entity, open new. We are going to add a new color in here that is not available right now. So how we can do this? Just click on the add entity, and for example we wanted to top 20 color name with color code. Okay, so we're going to add a different color. This one, we select this one and we have to check that is it available or not. If is it not available, then we can add this color. This color is not available in here. We can easily add this color name fuchsia, and color code, we'll find the color code in here, copy, add color code. Okay, base color red and solid, click on the save. So this is the process how you can add new color in the color variant, and then you can add this color on the product variant. So I hope you understand the process. It's a little bit critical or feel looks like very complex for beginner, but if you really want to do everything without hiring any developer and you want to learn everything deeply, then you have to spend some time to watch the full video or full guideline very deeply without any boring. So after that you will get the final result. So I hope you understand how to add new color in the color meta field or product variant. Then we'll start working on footer section. Here is the footer section, and the footer section is very simple. I think they don't added anything in here. Okay, to add footer section we have to go to our admin panel. So here is the admin panel. Okay, now click on the customize and check out the footer again, join the club, get exclusive deal and early access to new product. Okay, so simple. Scroll down, you see it's by default added in here. I want to make it more unique, just remove power by footer from the footer section, powered by Shopify. So how we can do this? Go back in the admin panel, Then wait a little bit time, click on this three dot icon, edit code. Very simple, you don't have to write any code, just we remove simple code from here. So type footer and open footer liquid under section folder and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and color scheme render, content for blog, we have to footer copyright, open footer copyright blog under blog folder, then scroll down, looks here, power by link, remove it, remove this comma, click on the save, then go back our website, hide this one, hide var, okay, and you see the power by Shopify has been removed. And there another thing you see that all the product show sold out. How you can fix it? Very simple, just go back your product section, in product, wait okay, select all, bulk edit, and then simply add available quantity, looks here, available quantity, just change it, make 10 for all product, you can change any number, so we are going to change all the product quantity, we can change in here, then here, okay, okay, then click on the save. Now reload, you see maximum product sold out has been gone because we have added the quantity, available quantity. I hope you understand. We have done so far, fixed the banner image issue, the color chooser, also the footer, remove the power by Shopify. Also we know how to remove sold out by just updating the quantity, available quantity in stock. And in the first class we'll start working with the product page, and this will be very special, unique and useful tutorials for all of the Shopify users, and I will make these tutorials in details. I will go everything in deep and share everything about horizon product page. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.